What's up, YouTube?
Wow, that's horrible.
I was right!
Okay, anyway.
What's going on, guys?
Alright, so we're going to continue my U sub. Now, this one is a special one. Okay, whenever you have something like this, it's usually going to work out in some interesting way. If they give you U, it's going to work out some interesting way. So I'm going to show you the way. So,
do we have to have the bonus another way?
Wow.
U equals x squared minus 1, okay, to the 1/2. Right? Yeah. So, du is equal to 1/2 x squared minus 1 to the negative 1/2 times 2x dx. There we go. So I'm going to have those 2's cancel out over there, right? So this is, as it looks right now, it's actually not going to be very pretty. It's not going to work out very pretty, but my U sub is going to help me out with this. So it's going to give me something else to work with. So my 2's are going to cancel. So I'm going to have du is equal to x over x squared minus 1 to the positive 1/2 dx. So I don't have that over here. I can't sub out all of this. That's always nice when I'm able to take this and just take away all of that and replace it with du. But in this instance right here, instead of actually taking stuff away, I can actually add stuff to my du. So I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal here. So I'm going to get dx by itself. So on this side, I'm going to get dx. That's going to be equal to, so it's going to be x squared minus 1 du over my x right here.
To the 1/2.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, to the 1/2. There we go. All right. So now I have my du right here, but these are all x's. But I'm going to take care of that here in a minute. I'm going to replace dx with all of this, and you're going to see what's going to happen. It's going to look kind of interesting here.
I like it.
Integration
I love it.
x to the 5th parentheses x squared minus 1 to the positive 1/2 times. Now this is where I'm going to throw into that du part, all of this over here. So it's going to be x squared minus 1 to the 1/2 over x du. And now when I multiply this out, what's going to happen to my x to the 5th?
You lose a friend.
Okay, lose a friend, right? So it's going to be x to the 4th, because that's going to cancel with this to here. And then my x to the 1/2, x to the 1/2,
X to the 1.
just x to the 1, right? So now this is going to turn into x to the 4th, x squared minus 1 du. Okay, so we did this earlier where I could actually sub out my x's. So I'm going to have to get my x by itself. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to take my u right here. I'm going to say if my u is equal to x squared minus 1 to the 1/2, what would happen if I square both sides?
U squared plus 1 to the 1/2.
I'm going to be u squared equals x squared
That's what x equals.
minus 1, right?
That's what x equals.
If I'm almost there.
No, I was fine, bro.
Okay, so right here, I squared both sides. So that's going to undo my 1/2, right? Did I lose everyone? I just did some magic right now. I just like reached out my sleeve and I pulled out like this tissue that just kept coming out for like 40 yards.
I was like,
And then people actually wonder, why is it I have 40 yards of tissue in my sleeve? No, it's not one of those.
I don't know
Okay.
about all that. So
I know, come on, that's as best I can get as a magic trick. Okay, did I lose anyone? Because speak now, forever hold your peace.
I object to this one.
Okay, look, right here. If I square 1/2, look, if I square 1/2, that just becomes 1, right? So it becomes 1 right here, but I have to square both sides of this. So if I square both sides, I get u squared, and it takes care of my 1/2, doesn't it? So now I could replace x squared minus 1, which I have here, with u squared, right? That's what I'm trying to do. So this piece right here just gives me u squared.
Oh, we could just leave it like that?
That's going to be u squared, you right? Okay, so now let's finagle this a little bit more. Can I get my x squared by itself?
Yes.
Add 1 to both sides, right?
Wait, why do I
I think so.
So I'm going to add 1 to both sides, so it's going to be u squared plus 1 is equal to x squared.
We gotta square it again.
So what happened?
Right here, right? I don't want to square root both sides. No, okay, so x squared is equal to this, right?
So 2 of them.
See what's happening here? Since this is an even power, I'm replacing this, right? And since this is x to the 4th, and I'm replacing this, wouldn't it be 2 of these? It's going to be 2 of these, isn't it? So I'm going to replace that with okay, I lost you and you gave me that face.
Nah. You forgot the du, by the way.
I'm not done yet. I'm
Okay.
still waiting because I like some people gave me that like that. What was that mean face? Yeah, that one right there.
The what?
The
The YouTubers are probably so confused.
I know, right? Anyway, yeah, YouTubers can't even see the face that I'm making right now. All right, so speak. Did I lose you?
No.
What?
What's the last answer?
Me? No. What?
I did some interesting stuff. Are we okay with that?
Yeah.
Yes? No? Maybe. Where's what? So, from here, can we expand this? Please stop. I'm going to expand this right here. So, it's still going to be integration. So, it's going to be u to the 4th plus 2u squared plus 1 all times u squared du. What I did here is I expanded this one. I expanded this. And now I still have a u squared on the outside. So what do I do with that? I distribute this in. So I'm going to distribute that in. So it's going to be u to the 6th plus 2u4 plus u squared du.
Almost there, guys.
Listen, this ain't even close to, the chaoticness. Wait till you have to trig some.
No, I'm okay.
Trick sub is easy. Come on, now.
Are we actually?
All right.
Honestly, so confused.
Now, at this current moment right here, can I take the integration of this?
Yes.
Yes, I can take the integration of this now. So it's going to be u7 over 7 plus 2u5 over 5 plus u3 over 3 plus c.
We're still not done.
Exponent. Do your exponent first. Add 1 to the exponent. Right? Add 1 to the exponent. And then it goes over your exponent.
Yeah,
Now we plug in.
but you did it in like flash speed.
I'm sorry.
You know what?
Now I did all my integration. Now I plug my u back in. The u goes back.
You know
So
what?
my u was what? So my u is this right here. But yes.
Do we leave it like that, but then put what the u equals next to it?
No. You have to put it back in.
Cheater.
Lazy.
Now, but remember, the root is the bottom of the denominator, right?
Power's the power.
Yeah. And the top is your power.
The flowers.
So I'm going to rewrite this as x squared minus 1 to the what power?
7 halves.
Very good. 7 halves over 7
I just put it.
plus 2 x squared minus 1 to the 5 halves over 5 plus x squared minus 1 to the
3 has
3 halves
plus c.
over
3.
plus c.
Wow.
Is that our answer, sir?
Yes, that is the answer.
Now it
So
is.
he didn't circle it.
Hmm?
So I couldn't tell you didn't circle it.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
That's easy.
That's point deduction on the AP
Hold on,
test.
6. That's the book here.
We can also just leave it with the radical, right?
What do you mean?
Instead of like.
If you want the radical, yeah, it's fine.
That's what I would. 'Cause that,
But it's, I don't know, for me, myself, I like the fractional exponents.
I ain't about that life.
I know you're not.
I admitted to it. I don't know the ooh before.
Was that the last one?
Yeah.
One more time.
Oh, yes, that is the last one. So,
Homework?
on your homework for this, when you get down to the bottom, here's the second page. Here it is right here.
With 6.
On number 6 is going to be just like that example that I finished.
Except with not including.
With not as much work.
All right, go ahead, do it.
I gotta base everything.